Spotify is chock full of features you can use to watch videos or listen to podcasts, but if you just want to listen to your favorite tunes, it's great at that too. If you haven't used Spotify in a while and have just updated the app, you might be having a hard time finding your song list in your library. If you just want to listen to your entire song list on shuffle, here's what you need to know. With Spotify's latest update, the Songs section of your library has been edited out. To find the songs you've previously added to your library on Spotify, you'll need to find and open the playlist titled Liked Songs. On Spotify's desktop app, you'll find it on the left sidebar right under Create Playlist. If you're on Spotify's mobile app, tap on your library on the bottom menu and the playlist will be pinned to the top. If you can't find certain songs you've saved from Spotify on the playlist, you'll need to resave them. To save individual songs on Spotify's desktop app, click on Search on the left sidebar and search for the song you need to re-add. Once it shows up, mouse over the track and click on the heart icon that appears on screen. If you're a free user stuck on Spotify's mobile app, you'll need to search for each individual song by name using the search bar. Once you found the song you want to add, tap on it, then on the heart icon underneath its album art to add the song back to your song list. Once all of the songs you want are in your Liked Songs playlist, just hit the play icon near the top of the page to play all of your saved songs on Spotify. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Spotify and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.